Hi, this is Ken Goldman with MarineMax Fort Myers, and today I'm here to show you this 2016 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. This is an incredible boat in pristine condition. With roughly 251 hours on the engines. The boat is powered by twin Mercury 350 Verados with joystick piloting for outboards. Notice the underwater lights. The boat is in like new condition. Large hardtop provides coverage from the sun. Lots of fishing rod holders. Open array radar. And now let me walk you through the boat. Continuing on, you'll notice a good sized swim platform with built-in reboarding ladder. You have both a transom door as well as a side door which can be used as a dive door. Access the water from the deck, also from dockside reboarding. Movable transom seat, seats 3 friends. Aft facing seat with live well. 2 underdeck fish boxes. Rod holders. Spectacular ergonomic helm with seating for the captain and 2 crew. You'll notice at the helm, digital throttle and shift, joystick piloting for outboard, Mercury vessel view, and 2 large Simrad displays, along with Simrad VHF and Fusion stereo. Large comfortable head compartment with vacuum flush toilet. Continuing on to the bow, you have coffin box for both storage and seating with fold down armrests. Notice the glass windshield with integral wiper and power vent. Built-in spotlight. More seating up at the bow. Under deck storage. Includes through the chute anchor with windlass. This boat is both family and fishing friendly. For more information, please feel free to call us at MarineMax Fort Myers. We'd be glad to show you the boat and take you for a test ride.